The last video we discussed what is Euclid division lemma and what is the use of Euclid division lemma. We discussed that Euclid division lemma is used to find the HCF of two positive integers, and we are going to use this lemma here. That is, we have to find the HCF of 145 and 42. Now 45, 445, 455. 455 is greater than 42. So 455 is our dividend and 42 is our divisor, and our Euclid division lemma is A is equal to B Q plus R. R is less than B or can be 0. Okay, so let's start. Now divide this number as 42 1 42. We will get some remainder. This is 3. Now we can divide it further. No, we cannot divide. So write it here as 455 is A, B 42 quotient 1 plus remainder 35. Now can we divide it further? Yes, we can divide, because we are not getting a remainder 0, so we will divide it until we didn't get remainder 0 or okay. Now in the next step, this is the main step, or you can say this is the method here actually, how to find the HCF using Euclid division. Now our 42, this divisor becomes our dividend for the next division, for the next step. 42 is our dividend and 35 is our divisor. 35 1 35. This is now our remainder is, what is our remainder? Remainder is 7. Now write it as Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? Dividend is 42, divisor is 35, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 7. We can divide it further. Yes, we can divide. So we will divide it for the next step. Now 7 5 35. 35. Now our remainder is 0. So we cannot divide it further. So this is our last step. We can write it here as this is our dividend. This is our dividend, divisor, quotient plus remainder. So what is the HCF? HCF is the last divisor we get. HCF is the last divisor we get in this complete process. So in the complete procedure, so the HCF of 455 and 42 is our last divisor. We get 7. So this is the HCF of two positive integers by Euclid division lemma. Thank you for watching my video.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.